When Google launched its Pixel and Pixel XL smartphones, one of their main talking points was the Google Assistant, the AI assistant you could have conversations with. As it turned out, the Google Assistant was way better than any other virtual assistant in the mobile phone market. And now that it is being made available to every Android device running Marshmallow or higher, I think it's time we talked about some cool Google Assistant tricks. Unlocking your phone can be a pain if you have a complicated password setup. Thankfully, you can use Google Assistant's hot word to unlock your phone. Just say OK Google to unlock your phone. Don't worry, your phone will only unlock if it recognizes the voice as being yours. You can just ask Google to remember the places you kept those things for you. OK Google, remember that my passport is in the top drawer.
Okay, I'll remember that.
OK Google, remember that the car keys are in my bag.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Then you can ask Google to recall what you told it by saying something on the lines of, OK Google, where is my passport?
Here's what you've told me.
If you want to see everything that you've asked Google to remember about you, just say, OK Google, what did I ask you to remember?
Here's what you asked me to remember recently. Car keys are in my bag. Remember that my passport is in the top drawer.
You can now make Google forget about specific things by tapping on the Forget 1, Forget 2 buttons that show up under the results. Google Assistant can also show you unread text messages on your phone. You can reply to them as well, directly from within Google Assistant itself. OK Google, show me my messages.
You've got several text messages. Here are the 5 most recent. The first is from, do you want to hear it or skip it?
The assistant can even show you your emails from the Google account connected to it. Show me my email.
Some results from your Gmail.
How cool would it be if you could get Google Assistant to tell you about your day like a personal Jarvis? Wouldn't it be awesome? Google Assistant can give you a daily briefing as well. You can simply say something like, OK Google, what does my day look like?
The weather currently is 23 degrees and haze with a high of 27 degrees. Your commute to home is currently 91 minutes with heavy traffic if you take Outer Ring Road by car. Have a good one. Here's the latest.
You can customize the things you want Google to tell you about in your daily briefing. People who are using Google Photos can use Google Assistant to check out their pics and even get results about specific events, dates, and subjects. You can just say something like, OK Google, show me my photos. Google shows results from photos stored in Google Photos. If you like using Facebook a lot and use it to update your friends about everything you do, this one will probably save you a lot of time. You will have to use an IFTTT recipe to get this working, but it's actually very easy. Just connect your Google Assistant and Facebook accounts to IFTTT and enable the recipe. You can find a link to it in the description below. Once you've done that, you can post to Facebook by saying, OK Google, tell my friends I'm going on a trip.
Posting to Facebook, I'm going on a trip.
Google Assistant can also help you translate speech to other languages. This can come in very handy when you're on a vacation to a foreign country or just as a way to learn basic phrases in different languages. OK Google, translate where is the bus stop to Spanish.
¿Dónde está la parada de autobús?
Google has been known to geek out about things, and it loves to do so. Here's another example of Google being, well, Google. OK Google, do you speak in Morse code?
Da did da da, did. That means yes.
Okay, that's definitely a great way to put it.